Okay, so I will now teach you how to set up the indexer feature on Journalist AI. And what this feature does is every time an article is published to your website, okay, you don't need to access your Google Search Console and manually request indexation one by one for all the articles, right? You set up the indexer feature, and every time an article is published, you will be automatically requested for indexation, saving you a lot of time. So very important feature, and to set it up, you just come here to the indexers tab. Okay, we will create a new indexer. We will give it a name. For example, I will put example. Okay, and now we will have to connect it with our Google account. And pay attention that this Google account needs to be the account where you have all your Google Search Console, where all your websites, right? So it has to be connected with a Google account that has a Google Search Console with many websites, so this is possible. So in this case, I will click here to connect with Google, okay? I will select my Google account and connect it. All right, we will give all these permissions and proceed. Yes, we will give this all these permissions, and now it's going to be connected, and you will see all the compatible integrations here, and this means all the websites that are connected to your Google Search Console, right? And you will see I only have this case, it's an example, right? But you will see all the websites connected to your Google Search Console. So yeah, after that you just click create indexer, and now every time you publish an article to these integrations that you have connected to your Google Search Console, they will be automatically requested for indexation. Yeah,